Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Zuhair bin Ahmad Azizi and my matrix number is A18A0028. Okay, now I will present about my industrial training place, which is Post Logistik Berhad. Post Logistik Berhad is a logistic company that provide a complete and integrated supply chain solutions. Post Logistik Berhad, which my industrial training ground was in Kemaman Supply Base, Teluk Kalung. At Kemaman, Post Logistik Berhad are known as Malaysian Shipping Agency, MSA. Here, Post Logistik was known as MSA, which have two offices. First office is at the Administration Building A, and the second office is in Azamobile Warehouse, which they provide the cabin office for MSA. There are several departments in Post Logistik Berhad Kemaman branch, which are administrator, accountant, shipping agent and forwarding agent. For administrator, provide office support for the smooth running business, which they manage their employees. The accountant job is preparing account and tax return, monitoring spending and budget, auditing, analysis financial performance, and also they manage the employee salaries. For the shipping agent, they will deal with the transaction of a ship in every post that the ship visit or docks, and they also manage the welfare of the crew of cruise ship. And the forwarding agent role is to facilitate shipments for importers and exporters under the agreement and condition of custom and marine. At Kemaman branch, Post Logistik just focus on forwarding and shipping service. Under the forwarding agent, there is a group of clerks who will complete the exemption and local forms to facilitate the movement of goods in and out. For the scope of exposure, that I get during the industrial training are I have learned the type of form, which is exemption, local, non-duty and duty forms. Then I also learn and create the exemption and local form using the ADET software. I also have exposed how to receive the item from the shipper at Azamobile dock point. Then I also have learned to sorting and declare the delivery order and transit manifest. Then I also have joining annual inventory count in Azamobile warehouse. For the contribution to the company, I have helped the staff complete making the exemption and local form in a short time. I have made easier for staff to find the delivery order and transit manifest that has been sorted out. I also have made cooperation in the annual inventory count in Azamobile warehouse. Here I attach some picture that related with my industrial training place. Firstly, there is a MSA cabin office, and there also the Azamobile drop point and Azamobile warehouse. I also attach the annual inventory count activity, which we count the inventory stock in the warehouse. For the suggestion, the first suggestion is I have suggest for Azamobile needs to give the form as early as possible, so that the MSA can complete the form to facilitate the entry and exit of goods with customs. The second suggestion, the leader department of ExxonMobil need to sign the complete forms before lunchtime so that the MSA can settle the form with custom to ensure the smooth movement of goods in and out. Okay, during industry training, I also have identified the challenge of task execution and how to overcome it. The first challenge I have faced is I have made mistake in creating a form. The solution is I must always make a check before submit the form. Second challenge is there is too many forms need to complete. For the solution, I have to complete the form according to the given time and not delay it. And the last challenge is I have making incorrect count during the inventory count in ExxonMobil warehouse. For the solution, I will make a second count to ensure that the amount of stock was according to the recorded. Lastly, the added value acquired during the industrial training are complete the task within the allotted time period. The second added value is always make a check so that there is no mistake occur. And the last added value is cooperate in performing a task. That's all for me. Thank you for watching my presentation.